I'm sure you're wondering how I can walk, talk, and gesture. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to create this type of avatars so that you can level up your content creation game and so that you can start your own faceless YouTube channel. On the left side in ChatGPT, click on Explore GPTs. Then in the search bar, quickly type in consistent character. Once you type it in, it will pop up and you will immediately click on it like this. Once you click on it, the next thing is to click on Start Chat. Then click here to start creating character. It will go ahead and ask you to choose the gender of your character. I'll simply type in female. Next, it will ask me to choose the name of my character. I'll type in Sissy. Further, it will ask me to describe the appearance and the background of my character. I'll immediately paste it. Then this is very important because my image is for YouTube. I'm going to ask it to please make the dimension of the image 16 by 9, which is the YouTube dimension. So it will go ahead and generate the image for me in YouTube aspect ratio. And if this is your first time on this channel, please do not forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and share this video so that others too can learn. So now you have to be patient for it to load your image. And finally, it has done that in YouTube aspect ratio. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and download this video. I'm going to hover to the top right corner of the image and click on the download button. It has downloaded my image. Next, I'm going to go to Canva in order to edit the image. In Canva, I'm going to click on custom size. Then I'm going to make sure my custom size is 1280 by 720. Then I'm going to go to upload and bring in the image I just generated from ChatGPT. Once I upload the image, I'm going to go ahead and click on the image like this. Use my cursor to hover over the image, click on these three dots, then set the image as the background. I'm going to tap on the image. Once I tap on it, I'm going to go ahead and click on the edit icon. Then I'm going to go ahead and click on magic grab. Here I'm going to grab what I don't like in the image. I'm going to grab these books, then the cup. I'm going to click on grab. I think I'm just going to also grab the image of the person behind. Once I delete it, I'll go back to edit and click on magic grab. Then I think I'll grab the image of the lady behind her desk and her laptop. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on grab again to do that. Then click on delete. Next, I'm going to go to elements. In element, I'm going to search for laptop. Then I'm going to go to photos. Then I'm going to choose this laptop, adjust it. I'm going to adjust it. Once I'm done adjusting it, I'm going to go ahead and name this photo. I'm just going to go ahead and name the photo Sissy. Then I'm going to click on share to download the photo. Next, I'm going to head over to Runway ML, which is the best tool for creating AI avatar that talks and gesture. So in Runway ML, on the left hand side, click on generate video. Then go ahead and bring in the image I edited in Canva. In my opinion, the best AI video generator for AI avatar that talks and gesture only is Runway ML. So next, I'm going to wait for the image to load. Once it's loaded, I'm going to go ahead and paste the prompt for this talking avatar. So I'm going to ask it to, for the video, you should create an animation lady talking while looking straight into the camera and demonstrating gently with her hands. Then click on generate, and now Runway will go ahead and generate your video for you. Once it's done generating your video, what you want to do is that you want to preview it. So I'm just going to right click on the video, then I'm going to view it in a new tab. You can see this is beautiful. She's talking and gesturing. Do not forget to click on the three dots to download your video. Next, I'm going to go to Kling AI to generate the AI avatar that walks, talks, and gesture using the same image. In Kling AI, register if this is your first time. Then in the middle, click on AI videos, just like this. Now I'll go ahead and bring in the image I downloaded from ChatGPT and edited in Canva. So once I bring it, I'll scroll down to where I have prompts and paste in the prompt, asking it to generate an animated lady that is talking, walking, and also gesturing. Next, I'm going to make sure that the video is 10 seconds. Lastly, I'm going to drop my prompt for negative prompt, then click on generate. Kling AI is the best AI tool if you want to generate an AI avatar that walks, talks, and gesture. So you have to be patient for it to load. Once it's done loading, I'm going to go ahead and click on it so that I can preview it. You can see my avatar is actually walking, talking, and also gesturing. Once I'm satisfied with this, I'm going to click on the three dots and then download my video just like this. Click on the download button to download it. Next, I'm going to head over to Google and type in DreamFace. This is where I'm going to lip sync my video. So all I need to do is scroll down to where I have generate avatar video. Click on it. Then I'm going to go ahead and bring in the videos I just generated from Runway ML and Kling AI, one after the other. So I'm just going to click on this upload button, bring in the first video, I think from Runway ML. I'm just going to bring it in, then simply wait for it to upload. Okay, so now that it's uploaded, for the audio, I can simply bring in a text to the text bar like this, and then go ahead and choose my voice, my desired voice. But I prefer to use the audio option, where I can either upload the audio that I've generated from, say, 11 Lab, or I can click on the record button to record my voice. All I need to do first is allow DreamFace to use my microphone, then click on this red button, go ahead and record whatever it is I want my talking avatar to say. Once I'm done recording, I'm going to click on the red button, then click on also the green button. You can take a listen to what you have recorded before you go ahead and generate it. So I'm just going to listen. Once I'm done listening, I'm going to go ahead and click on the generate button and to go ahead and generate my video complete with voice. My AI video, complete with voice. So you have to wait for it to generate. It will take a few moments. Finally, my avatar is ready, complete with voice. I'm just going to go ahead and click on the download button. Then you can also click on the AI avatar video to watch what it has done for you. For the logo, you can use your own logo to cover it. Please do not forget to subscribe.